mga loves, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone? I hope everyone is well. In today's video, this is going to be a cooking vlog again. Gagawa tayo ng my very own version of egg pie, and this is all our ingredients. I have condensed milk right here, 1 can of condensed milk, any brand will do. And then we're gonna be needing an evaporated milk. I already have a scalded evaporated milk, so it's right here. All I did is just warm this up, just enough warm to make the mixture. And I do have 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. Lemon juice is optional, but I found it that mas nagliles yung lansa ng egg pag may lemon juice. I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla essence will do. I do have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This one is only 1 egg yolk. We are going to use this up for our mixture later. And I do have 4 whole eggs in here and just 1 egg yolk when I separate the egg yolk from this, the white one. So first, oh, and by the way, for this egg pie that this is going to be an easy one. So we are not going to make a pie crust, a homemade one. But I have here this one ready use graham cracker pie crust. You can use this one, and I choose the reduced one. I may going to create a different video on how to make a pie crust, because I'm just gonna try to shorten this video as much as possible. So right now I'm going to beat this egg yolk. I mean this 4 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk. So some people, mga loves, they only use white sugar, but I found this is just my 3rd time that I make this egg pie. I tried to bake egg pie a couple times back in Colorado, and I found that the condensed milk is creamier than just sugar. But you can only just use a condensed milk alone. You don't need to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of white sugar. I mean, this is just an optional, but for me, I wanted a little bit sweeter. So let's just beat this egg, and then we're just gonna mix this 1 tablespoon of sugar here. Just dump everything on our eggs. The 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This one is 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice, and this 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. The condensed milk, 1 can of condensed milk. Let's just mix this well. I know the cornstarch get a little clumpy right now, but this is gonna dissolve once you mix it really well. And then we're gonna mix in just a few the scalded evaporated milk we have. We're gonna add now you want this one, guys, if you will know that this is warm enough when you started seeing a bubbles on the side of your evaporated milk. So we're just gonna add this slowly, guys, slowly. yeah, I'm going to make a separate video of the pie crust. That making a dough or a crust is more of a little process than just making the filling. But you can always have, if you have that ready pie crust, that will do as well. If you wanna make a egg pie last time, and you can use that graham cracker pie crust. This is actually the second time I'm gonna use the crust though. I remember that when I made the filling last time, because this is not as huge or kind of more like longer. No, not longer. I mean bigger amount when you're making the regular pie crust of the egg pie. So the filling that we're doing right now, it's have an extra mixture, so you don't need to put it there. It's up to you what you're gonna use with that. You can always you know, buy 2 of those pie crusts. The reason why it's more mixture because I use 1 can of condensed milk, and some people they only use sugar. So this 1 whole can of evaporated milk is 254 ml, and it looks like I still have like 1 point amount here, and I think I'm not gonna use it all. So just continue mixing it. Make sure it's mixed. It is all mixed well, and I'm not seeing the clumpy cornstarch anymore. It's all blended. And right now, let's set that aside, and we are going to get this 1 egg yolk. The egg white. So here mga loves, I do have stirring here. It's I don't know if you can see it. I guess not. So stir, mix, and whip. So I'm gonna use the whip because we are going to beat that eggs, and we're gonna make a soft pick from the egg white. So our soft pick is made already. So you want this kind of texture, like an icing, almost like that. So we are going to fold this egg white mga loves to our egg mixture. Don't be afraid to mix it up like that, because that's what we want. It's gonna float later anyways. So you do it like that. Okay. So I am going to pour our egg mixture now to our pie crust. So again, this is what I use. It's the reduced fat graham cracker pie crust. What kind of in your location available, this kind of pie crust will do. So this is how it looks like. And I know there will be extra with this egg mixture, but it doesn't matter. Anyways, it's late at night, and that's what I've said. This is my third time that I made this. And I forgot that when I made this before last time, there's like almost 2. No, not 2. I think it's not enough for 2 pie crusts anyways. So That should be good enough. Maybe a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay. Should be good. And yeah, this is how it looks like right now. You see? And I already preheated the oven. So anyways, the temperature of your oven, it should be 180 degrees Fahrenheit for at least let's see, 15 minutes. And then after that, you have to decrease the temperature into 160 degrees Fahrenheit, and you have to bake it between 45 to at least 45 to 50 minutes. So here's our finished product, mga loves. I can wait for this to cool down and have a slice for myself. Here it is. I hope you find this video helpful and give it a try at home. And if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. And for those who's new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button so you will be notified. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye!